Two family protection heavyweights go head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, Aura, an all-in-one platform for family digital safety and identity protection. And on the right, Qustodio, powerful parental controls for every device. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. So here's the game plan. We're comparing Aura and Qustodio on 6 key things: their overall approach and purpose, protection features, device support, parental controls, price and value, and how easy they are to use. I know, sounds a bit intense, but trust me, we'll keep it chill and walk through each part together. Okay, let's kick off with how each app approaches family safety and their overall purpose. Aura's trying to be your family's all-in-one bodyguard. Think identity protection, VPN, antivirus, even monitoring your credit. I mean, it's covering both adults and kids. Pretty cool, right? Setup, though, not gonna lie, can be a little overwhelming because there's a lot bundled in. But once you get the hang of it, it's a one-stop dashboard. Qustodio? It's like the Sherlock Holmes of parental controls. Super detailed monitoring, powerful alerts, and it's all about tracking what your kid does on their devices. But here's the catch. If you want identity theft or credit monitoring, that's not happening here. So Aura brings the family security, and Qustodio keeps the spotlight firmly on your kid's digital life. Honestly, I'd call this category a draw, since it totally depends on what you're after. Next up, protection features. Aura seriously flexes here. You get stuff most parental control apps don't even try. Identity theft monitoring, credit checks, a VPN, antivirus, and something wild like removing your info from those sketchy data brokers. Qustodio, on the flip side, goes deep on device-level protection. You've got activity and app tracking, geofencing, call and text monitoring, strong web filtering, all the things to keep your kids' digital world safe. But notice, no ID or privacy guard for parents. So if I'm calling it, Aura takes the cake for full-blown family security, while Qustodio absolutely rocks the detailed parent-kid monitoring. All right, let's talk device and platform support. This is huge if you've got everyone in the family on something different. Aura plays pretty well with Android, iPhone, iPad, and there's some love for Windows, especially for safe gaming features. And you can link unlimited devices, which is super generous. But, Mac, Chromebook, Kindle? Not happening here. Qustodio, though, get this. It's on Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone, iPad, Chromebook, and even Kindle. Plus, you've got plans for just 1 device, 5, or unlimited, depending on your chaos level. Unlimited, though, is just for their premium. So, for pure platform support, Qustodio wins hands down. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Aura gives your family up to $1 million in identity theft insurance? Yeah, most parental control apps don't even go near that territory. Now, parental control tools. Aura gives you the basics: web filtering, screen time, and some activity reports. Nice for families who just want simple guardrails. But honestly, if you're after full-on supervision with detailed customization, it's pretty limited. Some parents say it's bloated if you're strict about monitoring. Qustodio, however, goes all out. Robust screen time scheduling, detailed reports, real-time location with geofencing, and even panic alerts. You can customize content alerts, monitor social, calls, texts. It's a lot. Setup's manual and can take time. And yes, there are a few social media blind spots, but still, for serious parental oversight, Qustodio is the clear winner. On to price and value. Aura bundles all those extra security services. So if you're looking for identity and privacy protection, it kind of makes sense you pay a bit more. Plans range from $8.33 up to $32 monthly, which, if you just want parental controls, might sting a little. Qustodio, on the other hand, starts at a super-friendly $4.99 per month, with flexible options for bigger families and, you know what, even a free trial. Their premium jumps to $11.99, still reasonable for the features. So if cost matters most, and you want solid parental controls without the extras, Qustodio is your best bet. All right, ease of use. Aura makes setup almost laughably easy. And it even does automatic age filtering. The dashboard covers all your security needs in one spot. And if you get stuck, there's instant live phone support. Honestly, it's rare. Only downside? Yep, bit of a learning curve if you dive into those extra features. Qustodio, getting started is easy. Linking devices to the kid profiles is straightforward, and the control panel is pretty clear. But if you go deep customizing settings, things can get fiddly. Support is only via email and takes up to 2 days. So Aura snags the win here for user friendliness, especially with real-time help.
Let's take a step back and look at the big radar chart.
kind of like our side-by-side scorecard. You'll see Aura running strong for all-in-one protection and ease of use. Qustodio shines with device support, serious parental controls, and bang-for-your-buck value. Depending on your family's needs, one of these will jump out at you. So the short version, pick Aura if you want super simple setup, adult and kid protection, plus that whole digital safety vibe, especially if stuff like privacy or identity theft keeps you up at night. Go with Qustodio if what you really want is max control over your kid's device use, solid tracking, and customizable alerts for family life. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.